Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just take pictures, but changes the way you see the world. A camera that forces you to slow down, to breathe, and to hunt for the light like a predator. For years, the photography world has been whispering about a ghost. A legend that seemed to have disappeared into the shadows of the X100 versus viral fame. We waited. We wondered if the rangefinder era was over. But the silence has finally been broken. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 isn't just a release, it is a statement. It is a rebellion against the clinical, soulless perfection of modern mirrorless cameras. If you've been looking for a reason to fall in love with photography all over again, you're looking at it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But be warned, once you understand what this camera is capable of, your current gear is going to feel like a toy. Stay with me, because we are about to dissect every millimeter of this masterpiece, from the controversial design choices to the sensor tech that shouldn't even be possible in a body this size. What is the X-Pro 4? To the uninitiated, it looks like a relic from the 1960s. To the artist, it is the ultimate tool of stealth. This is the Street King. The DNA of the X-Pro series has always been about the experience of the shot, not just the output of the file. In a world obsessed with megapixels and eye autofocus that does all the work for you, the X-Pro 4 asks a different question. How much of the soul of the photograph belongs to the camera, and how much belongs to you? Let's talk about the build. When you first wrap your hand around the X-Pro 4, you realize this isn't plastic. This is Dura-Titanium. It's cold to the touch. It's rugged. It's built to survive a rain-soaked alley in Tokyo or a dusty road in Texas. Fujifilm has refined the ergonomics to a point of obsession. The grip feels more intentional. The dials have a mechanical click that provides a tactile feedback so satisfying it's almost addictive. They haven't just built a camera, they've built a haptic experience. But the biggest talking point, the thing that has the forums on fire, is the Hybrid Viewfinder. This is the crown jewel. With a flick of a switch, you move from a crystal-clear optical window to a high-resolution 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder. Why does this matter? Because sometimes you want to see the world as it is, and sometimes you need to see exactly how your film simulation is going to render the shadows. It's the only camera system in the world that gives you this choice. It's like having a Leica and a high-tech Sony fused into one body. And speaking of film simulations, the X-Pro 4 introduces something that will make the SOOC, straight out of camera, community lose their minds. We are talking about the new Reala Ace and a rumored classic -2 that mimics the chemical grain of 35mm film with frightening accuracy. You aren't just taking photos, you are creating heirlooms. You are capturing colors that feel like memories. In the USA, where the film look is dominating every aesthetic trend from Instagram to high-fashion magazines, the X-Pro 4 is the ultimate cheat code. It gives you the soul of Kodak Portrait with the speed of a modern processor. Under the hood, we have the X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. 40 megapixels of pure, unadulterated detail. This isn't just about making big prints. It's about the croppability. You can shoot with a 23mm lens, the classic 35mm equivalent, and crop into a 50mm frame while still maintaining more detail than most professional